Hello everyone, I'm James with Corelight. Today I'm going to provide a quick overview of the integrated Corelight and Suricata log. Many people or vendors understand the value of running Suricata and Zeek, but Corelight integrated the two and created the Suricata Corelight log to simplify use for operators. This log integrates elements from the Suricata EVE log and the Corelight connections log. Let's take a look at the elements of this integrated log. In the conn.log video, we mentioned the unique identifier, community ID, and service fields. These arrows highlight some of the Suricata alert metadata available in this integrated log. Now let's examine the log in Splunk to better understand how Corelight data transitions your team into Apex defenders by linking alerts with Signal. The green arrows highlight the main fields of the log pulled from the connections log, which have been introduced in a prior video. These arrows highlight some of the Suricata fields, specifically alert severity, signature, signature ID, and metadata. The last arrow highlights the Splunk data models relevant to this session. This integrated log links Signal with the detection and leads us to the question, is it a false positive or true positive? Let's pivot using the unique identifier to the files log and see what we can discover about this alert. Here we see the files log contains hashes, MD5 and SHA-1. SHA-256 is an optional package to install if needed. Stay tuned for additional videos about package management and installation. This log also lists attachment type, aka MIME type, transmitting and receiving hosts, and file name. How do you know if one host or 10 have received the file? Well, you can use this information we just talked about, receiving hosts. In addition to providing the information in this log, Corelight can also extract files to support your existing static or dynamic analysis pipeline. But let's get back to the log. The information in the files log can be used to quickly assess if the alert is a false positive or true positive using public sites. For example, Team Cymru's malware hash registry, or VirusTotal, or even a custom private watch list. Stay tuned for a future introduction to automation using Corelight data. The last value I'd like to point out is the File Unique Identifier, or FUID. Every file observed by Corelight receives an FUID, and it is also used to link related logs to connection logs. Think UID and FUID working together with your SIM to assist the analyst during a hunt or investigation. I hope you enjoyed this short overview of the integrated Corelight and Suricata log and how an analyst can quickly pivot to another log, in this case the files log. It was my pleasure sharing the information with you. If you have additional questions, please contact us. I believe we are stronger when we defend together, so good luck and good hunting.